Hi, I'm Douglas Winters, Associate Broker at Daniel Ravenel Sotheby's International Realty, and this is a quick video on what's been happening in the marketplace for the second quarter 2026. If you've been wondering what's happening in Hilton Head and Bluffton real estate market, here are the three biggest takeaways from this quarter. First, homes are taking longer to sell. Days on market has increased in both Hilton Head and Bluffton, and that's a sign that buyers are becoming more selective, and pricing a home correctly is more important than it's been in several years. Second, despite the slower pace, home prices have remained remarkably stable. Bluffton actually saw a slight increase in median sales price, while Hilton Head has remained steady. Buyers have more choices today, but well-priced homes are still selling, and they're selling fast. And finally, inventory remains lower than it was a year ago. While many markets around the country are seeing a surge in listings, we're still dealing with a relatively limited supply here in the Lowcountry, and that continues to support home values. What will I be watching for in the next few months? Actually, it's four things, and they're all related. One is whether inventory begins to grow. If inventory goes up, that can have a remarkable impact on the market. Whether days on market continue to increase. They've been going up, slightly for the last couple of years. If that continues, you got to see how that plays out in the marketplace. Whether sellers adjust their pricing expectations, which is really important in a market to find out who really wants to sell their home. And whether buyer demand keeps pace with the new listings. These four indicators tell us far more about where our market is headed than a national headline. And it's important to understand that all real estate is local. If you'd like to know what these trends mean for your neighborhood or your home's value, message me directly and I can send you a neighborhood by neighborhood report with every area in Beaufort County. We put out a quarterly report which is full of information regarding the real estate marketplace and comprehensive. All you have to do is message me, call me, and we'd be happy to send one out to you. As always, if you're thinking about buying or selling real estate, it's important to seek the advice and the guidance of a professional. Thanks again for watching. I'm Douglas Winters.